So we don't have to fight anymore.
Sean Diddy Combs' lawyer had just decided to walk away from court after months of representing him.
We're not giving up by a long shot. I told Mr. Combs I'm going to try and get his case to trial as quickly as possible.
But in a surprising twist, despite previously stating his intention to push for the trial, the lawyer's sudden decision to step down has raised questions about the direction of Diddy's legal battle. Why? Because what Diddy is accused of doing is on a level no one could have ever imagined. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Let me introduce you to Mark Agnifilo. He's not just any lawyer. He's one of the most respected and sought-after defense attorneys in the country. Known for representing high-profile clients, Mark has built a reputation for handling even the most challenging, seemingly unwinnable cases. In Diddy's case, Mark takes center stage as the lead attorney, playing a pivotal role in the unfolding courtroom drama, including those wild claims about Diddy and Ashton Kutcher being tied to Brittany Murphy's tragic death. Let's take a step back for a moment. Brittany Murphy rose to fame in the mid-1990s with her breakout role in the beloved teen movie Clueless. Throughout the late 1990s and early 2000s, she became one of Hollywood's most promising young stars. However, her life took a tragic turn in 2009 when she died at the age of 32. Brittany's tragic passing sent shockwaves through Hollywood. Official reports stated that she died from a combination of pneumonia, anemia, and drug intoxication from prescription and over-the-counter medications.
She was an actress with big potential. Then Brittany Murphy died young. Well, now a new HBO Max documentary is looking into the star's troubled final years.
In 2013, an HBO Max documentary revisited Murphy's life and death, renewing public interest and speculation about whether her passing was truly accidental, with allegations connecting powerful figures like Diddy and Ashton Kutcher to Brittany's untimely death.
The night Brittany died, she passed out twice.
Eventually, I got to the point where she had told her mother, Sharon, "Mommy, I'm dying. I'm going to die."
Now let's untangle the history between Ashton Kutcher, Brittany Murphy, and Diddy, and how their lives intertwine in this shocking case. In 2003, Ashton and Brittany starred together in the romantic comedy Just Married. Their undeniable chemistry on screen spilled over into real life, and though their relationship didn't last, they appeared to remain friendly over the years. Ashton even mourned Brittany's tragic and mysterious death in 2009, calling it a heartbreaking loss. But here's where things get complicated. Enter Diddy. Known for his towering presence in the entertainment industry, Diddy's connection to this story has been enveloped in speculation. Adding fuel to the fire, some people have pointed out similarities between the deaths of Diddy's ex-wife, Kim Porter, and Murphy. Porter also died under similar circumstances, with her autopsy revealing pneumonia as the primary cause of death. Since there are rumors that Diddy was behind his ex-wife's tragic death, it's now speculated that he may have also played a part in Murphy's death. Jamie Foxx's mysterious hospitalization has also been linked to similar symptoms. Though he survived, the details surrounding his condition remain vague, sparking further speculation among fans and conspiracy theorists. Now things take an even darker turn when Daniel Baldwin said that Hollywood is controlled by a hidden web of powerful elites, sparking speculation about whether Diddy and Ashton were more entangled in Hollywood's darker dealings than previously assumed.
If you look up, death trail of Diddy affiliates due to mysterious disease or whatever you want, and it's going to come up and you're going to go, wow. So, and a lot of the same symptoms as Fox. And there was, there's a number of them that it was a couple that both died. One died, the husband, I think, and then the girlfriend died like a month later of the same thing. And they believe that it has something to do with him. Again,
the seemingly identical patterns in the causes of death have raised eyebrows, sparking intense speculation and conspiracy theories. Many believe the repeated similarities are too consistent to be coincidental, claiming as blatantly obvious that a larger, orchestrated plan might be at play.
The number of people that have had this sudden death thing happen to them that are related to Diddy, viral lung or something, like some weird, but like 5 people that had information on him that were going to testify against him.
Now, here's what happened next that left everyone speechless. Ashton appears to be taking steps to distance himself from Diddy, likely to safeguard his reputation amid the growing storm of allegations connecting the two.
Can't tell that one either. I'm like actually cycling through them. Diddy party stories, man. That was like some weird memory lane.
With suspicion swirling about connections to Brittany Murphy's tragic death, Kutcher's decision to disassociate might be a strategic attempt to stay clear of any controversy that could taint his own name. This isn't just a PR move. It hints at deeper fears of what might be exposed regarding the untimely death of Brittany Murphy. But it looks like he won't escape the allegations, as a statement from a key person in Diddy's life has come forward. Despite Kutcher's efforts to distance himself, the evidence speaks for itself. Gene Dill, Diddy's former bodyguard, has testified to the strong bond between the two, shedding light on their past interactions and connections.
But you heard about the reports that Ashton Kutcher, he's worried that Diddy might lie on his friends? You heard about that?
But that's what I've been saying. They got a warning. And Ashton Kutcher and him they were real tight. They were close, they was cool.
And just like a fish is caught by its mouth, Kutcher himself once admitted,
I was like, I don't want to tell you, everybody's on the table. He's like, not me, I'm off the table. And so that started our conversation. We became fast friends, and we used to just hang out, watch football together.
This admission only adds to the mounting evidence, making it harder for him to escape the shadow of his ties with Diddy. But hold on, there's more. Murphy's husband, Simon Monjack, who has close ties with Diddy, is also being accused of involvement in her death. However, in response to the swirling allegations, Monjack was quick to deny any involvement, passionately defending himself.
I woke up the morning after my wife died and there was a thing saying murderer.
Calling you a murderer?
Yeah, that I murdered my wife.
What do you think is the biggest misconception about you?
Well, I'm often referred to as a criminal without a criminal record.
And then, just 5 months later, Monjack himself died in the same house, with eerily similar causes. Reports revealed that his death was due to acute pneumonia and severe anemia, the very same conditions attributed to Brittany's tragic passing. Coincidence? Or something more sinister? Rumors are swirling that Simon might have known too much about Diddy and Ashton's plotting of Murphy's death. With Kutcher's friendly ties to Diddy and Simon sharing a personal trainer with a mogul, people claim that Simon's financial disputes with the trainer could have been the tipping point, making Diddy and Ashton silence him to keep their secrets buried. Kutcher and Diddy's friendship has always been publicly celebrated, with the actor even attending Diddy's infamous white parties over the years. But now, with Diddy's troubling legal issues, Kutcher is looking back with a sense of dread. As the courtroom drama unfolded, it became increasingly clear that the case had more layers than anyone anticipated. The attorney's sudden departure sent shockwaves through Hollywood's elite, revealing that some secrets are simply too explosive to confront, especially when startling evidence implicates influential figures like Diddy and Ashton Kutcher in Brittany Murphy's death. Could Diddy and Ashton Kutcher really have played a role in Brittany Murphy's untimely demise? What do you think this means for the case? Comment below.